Number one. Let's try to go quickly since we've already done it. But we want to get it on film, yeah? Ooh, itch on the neck. Alright, we got an airplane. Woo, looks like this. Okay. And there's a triangle. And this triangle has a 60-degree angle, and a 90, and 1,000, right? And we want to know what H is. And what we have to remember is we have that, this x, this is 2x, and this is x square root 3, and this is 60, and this is 30. That's our 30, 60, 90 triangle, right? And so what we want to do is make this look like that one. Okay? Alright? So I'm going to draw this so that it goes like this. And then my 60 is going to be here, my 30 here. And so what's across from my 30? And across from the 30 is x, right? And what connects my 30 and my 60? 2x, right? And then what's this bottom one then? That would have to be from this right angle to the 30. And that would be x square root 3. So that means that 2x is the same as 1,000. So divide by 2, x equals 500. If that's the case, then h is equal to 500. Now, if they asked you for the bottom one, we should know that this would just be 500 square root 3. Right? Because we just take that, whatever that x is, and put it in front of square root 3.
So h equals 500 square root of 3?
H equals 500. But this, if they asked you this, they didn't ask you, but hint, hint, nudge, nudge on the test, maybe might ask you, right? So be ready to know the bottom too. Okay? So
basically anything x square root of 3.
yeah. So if you make this chart each time, it's going to be really easy for you.
So it's like a formula for 30, 59.
Yeah.
How do you do?
Now that was number 1, right?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and do number 2 right here, since it's really, really easy. Okay? Number 2 is a Pythagorean theorem. What's that, 12, 13?
No.
No?
Yes. X 12 and
13 is the long one?
13. Yes.
Okay? Alright, so I look at my Pythagorean triple, and I go, oh, 13, 12, hello, that makes this one 5. Ta-da! Oh, that was hard. But, what if I make it harder? Right? If you don't know what x is, if you don't know that there's a 13, 12, 5 triangle, right? Pythagorean triple, like a 3, 4, 5 triangle, right? Then, how would you figure this out?
A squared plus b squared.
A, B, and C. C is always across from the, C is the hypotenuse, yeah. Across from the 90 degree, right? And so therefore, A squared would be x squared, plus B squared, which is 12 squared, equals C squared, which is 13 squared. Well, we should all know by now that 13 is 169, right? We can remember that for the rest of our lives.
144.
Right? And then so 169, 144, okay? And then I'm just going to subtract 144 from 169, right? And I get x squared is equal to 25. Then take the square root of both sides. Okay, so x is equal to 5. Okay, so either way is fine with me. I love the Pythagorean triples. If you can keep these on your cheat sheet, there's 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25, and 8, 15, 17. Those are the most commonly used Pythagorean triples out there. They will be on the SAT. They will be on everything. Okay, so that's